Hi there. In this video, we'll walk through how to purchase from the CronySoft Shop section. Just be sure of one thing. Before entering any payment or personal billing information, ensure TeamViewer, AnyDesk, or any remote access software is completely disconnected. Make sure no one is connected to your system, not even a CronySoft team member should be active during payment entry. Only continue once you are fully offline and secure, because your privacy and payment security comes first. Okay, let's get started. To access the shop, go to the bottom left corner, click on the three lines. Over there, you can see shop. You can access it from here. Once accessed, you can see the shop section is organized into multiple categories for easier navigation. Over here under hardware, you can purchase printers, scanners, cash drawers, label scales, Android handheld devices, electronic shelf labels, and more. You can head over to supplies if you're looking to purchase labels, printer paper, packaging supplies, thermal rolls, and related consumables. If you want other items such as pole displays, power supplies, cash draw cables, adapters, and related hardware accessories, you can access the other section. So each product card includes two purchase options. Add to cart allows you to continue shopping and purchase multiple products together during checkout. Buy now, that will immediately take you to the checkout process for a single item purchase. If in any case you're looking to have a fast delivery, you can head over to the services section and add fast shipping to your cart. This service helps prioritize shipment processing and delivery times. Okay, now that you got your items, you're gonna head over to the checkout and shipping information. Over here, you'll begin by completing your shipping address. You can start by adding your email address, your first and last name, your street address, and your city, state, zip code, and country. Next, you will be required to add in your billing address. If it's different, you can go ahead and input that information. But if it's the same, you can check the box that says same as shipping address. At the bottom here, you can add additional information. In case you want to add any order notes, you could mention that here. Once done, from there, we're now going to head to the payment method. But again, before proceeding with checkout, do make sure that all remote access softwares are disconnected and you are not currently active in any sessions. That means even a CronySoft support staff should not be connected during this process. Once you have confirmed your session is private and secure, then only should you go ahead and continue with the payment process. Now during the payment process, you have two options. You can either pay by card or you can pay by bank transfer. You can go ahead and continue paying by card, which will need to enter the cardholder's name, card number, expiry date, security code, billing address, city, state, and zip code. And if you want to do bank transfer, then we're going to go ahead and add the IBAN or account number, ABA or routing number, business name, billing address, and then select either checking or savings account. Now there is also an option to mark the payment method as default. Enabling this option will automatically set this card or bank transfer as the primary payment method for future purchases. Once the payment has been completed successfully, the order will be processed automatically. For physical products, our logistic teams will begin shipment preparations and delivery processing. For software-related purchases, our CronySoft team will receive a notification and will begin processing within 24 to 48 hours time. A team member may reach out then to assist with installation, configuration, licensing, activation steps, or additional onboarding if needed. You can also manage subscriptions, billings, and payment methods through the My Account section. Click on your profile and select My Account. Under the Subscription tab, you can view all available and active CronySoft services and software subscriptions. This section displays active subscriptions, inactive subscriptions, trial packages, and monthly pricing information. You can also purchase additional services directly from here. Inside the payment section, this is where you can view saved payment methods including your cards or bank transfer accounts. You can also add new accounts directly from the section for future purchases and recurring billing. The billing section provides you with the billing related records and information associated with your account. Under the services, you can view active or inactive third-party services connected to the account. This helps monitor integrations and current service statuses. If in any case you're looking to cancel your account, you can head over to the settings sections, and this is where you will find the account cancellation option. At the top right corner of My Account sections, you can also view your upcoming monthly billing amount. This helps you stay informed about upcoming charges and subscription costs. And that concludes the CronySoft Shop and My Account walkthrough. Thank you for watching. For additional assistance, please contact CronySoft support or check out our playlist for more tutorials and training resources. I'll see you guys in our next module.